Subtracting decimals. Let's give it a go. Let's try it. First one, 0.65 minus 0.41. So to subtract decimals, we're going to align them vertically. 0.65 minus 0.41. We align the respective digits, and we also align the decimal point as well. Then we just subtract like a regular number. 5 minus 1 gives 4. 6 minus 4 gives 2. Decimal point copies down, and we've got 0 minus 0 over here, giving us an answer of 0.24. There we go, not too hard. Let's try another one. 0.784 minus 0.569. Copy them down. Okay, aligning the decimals again, the decimal can just copy straight down if you like. 4 minus 9 we can't do, so let's take 1 away from this 8, turning it into a 7, and turn the 4 into a 14. 14 minus 9 is now 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2, and 0 minus 0 over there is still 0. Answer, 0.215. So far so good? On to a couple more now. Here we have 0.91 minus 0.857. Okay, we're going to align the decimals again. 0.857. You notice this time we have a 2 decimal place number and a 3 decimal place number. With examples A and B, they were matching. 2 and 2 decimal places. Example B was 3 and 3 decimal places. This time we're going to mix. So how do we do that? We've got nothing here. When you've got nothing there, you can fill it in and just put a 0. Okay, just to fill in the blanks. Now let's try it. 0 minus 7, can't do. Take a 1 from 1, turning it into 0. We'll put that 1 over here. 10 minus 7 is 3. Next, 0 minus 5, can't do that either. From the 9, let's take 1 out of there, turning it into an 8, and we'll turn the 0 into a 10. 10 minus 5 we now can do, which is 5. 8 minus 8 is 0. Copy the decimal point down, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So we get 0.053. Looking good. On to D. This time we've got some numbers that are larger than 1. 42.7 minus 5.3. Aligning the decimals and the decimal point will be aligned in the answer as well. 7 minus 3 is 4. 2 minus 5 we can't do. 4 becomes 3, take 1, give it to the 2, becoming 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 3 minus 0 is 3, giving us 37.4. For another answer. Last 2 examples before I turn it over to you, and you have a try for example 2. Let's just finish example 1 here with E. 85 minus 6.4. 85. This time we have a number with no decimals minus a decimal number. How do we do this? 85 doesn't have a decimal. Yeah, it does. It's the same as 85.0. Oh, right, I forgot. 85.0 we can think of that as. Minus 6.4. 6.4. Align the decimals. There we go. 0 minus 4 we can't do. Okay, let's take 1 away from 5, turning it into a 4. Give that 1 to the 0, turning it into a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 6 we can't do. Let's take 1 away from the 8, turning it into a 7. Give 1 to 4, turning it into 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 7 minus nothing is 7. And our answer, 78.6. All done. So that's about all the tricky things that can happen. Let's try this last one. If I write it vertically, it will look like this. Boom. Okay, we have the digits all aligned and the decimal points aligned, and we can align the decimal point already straight away. 3 minus 6, can't do. Take 1 from the 4, turning it into 3. Add it to there. 13 minus 6 is 7. 3 minus 1 is now 2. Alright, that's easy. 2 minus 5, we can't do that, so we need to take 1 from the 5, turning it into 4, and the 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. Answer, 17.27. All done. Was that enough practice? I hope so. It's now your turn. Please try example 2. Can you do these subtractions? Remember, do it on paper now. No calculators, and be honest with yourself. Please share your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.